Whether it's an animal or a human, everyone deserves a second chance at life. And well, this story is about an abandoned puppy named Billy who got another chance at life. So this lady found Billy stranded on the street as he was starving, crying, and looking desperate for help. The poor pup was only a month old at the time. It took him some time to get used to his new home. But eventually, he started feeling comfortable and even got along with his owner's pet cat. He would also befriend Bella, who was another dog rescued by the kind-hearted lady. They started spending a lot of time together, playing and teasing each other all day long. The adorable pups who were once hopeless ended up enjoying life to its fullest. What's even more delightful is that they didn't let go of their naughty and playful nature even after growing up. It would be an understatement to say that this inspiring story has beautifully shown every stage of Billy's life. If you ever find yourself in a position to give someone a second chance at living a happy life, do so by all means. You never know how helpful even a simple gesture of kindness could be for those in need of it.